the structure of technology, motion and return is still used. T2, tool call, M00 tool change, S4000, M03, F0.35. Changing the spindle speed and the feed rate. Motion can now be entered. G00, X50, Y-10, Z10. At first we are roughing the contour. This will be defined with the parameters at cycle 72. The contour milling cycle 72 can be found by pressing the horizontal soft keys milling, followed by the vertical soft key contour milling. KNAME is the name of the contour. Type in the name contour_1 and press attach contour. Now press contour and start to define the contour of the sampled workpiece. At first, the starting point has to be defined. It will be on a convenient place on the contour. We enter the data the following way. Enter X50 absolute, Y5 absolute, accept elements. Next is a horizontal line. Enter X5 absolute. Transition to next element, radius of 7.5. Accept elements. Next is a vertical line. Enter Y95 absolute. Transition to next element, radius of 7.5. Accept elements. Next is a horizontal line. Enter X95 absolute. Accept elements. Next is a vertical line. Enter X60 absolute. Accept elements. Next is a horizontal line. Enter X70 absolute. Accept elements. Next is a horizontal line. Enter X50 absolute to close the contour. Accept elements. After completing the contour, press the Accept soft key and press Tech Interface soft key to save the subroutine data and put the cursor back within the contour milling cycle.